the subtopic of this conic section, that is the circles, I would like to discuss with you. If I talk about the first part of the conic section, pair of straight line, which is explained you, and the second thing I am talking about the part circles. A question raised, what is a circle? Circle, saying the circle is a round object is not true. Circle is the locus of a point in a plane in such a way that it always remains at equal distance from a fixed point. You be with me here. Suppose this point O is a fixed point and I am taking a point P at a distance of x units from this O. This distance, if is taken x units. If I have taken a point P at a distance of x units from this point O, then this point is free to move anywhere and the path traced by this point, the set of all such points which are at equal distance from a given fixed point, this is the given fixed point O, and each point which is at a distance of x units from this point, fixed point, if collection of all such points is being made, then the collection, the path, the group, the set, the locus of all such points in a plane is known as a circle. If you are not using the word plane, then it is the definition in space of the sphere. So what is a circle? Circle is a group or set or locus or path or collection of all such points in a plane which remains at equal distance from a fixed point. This fixed point, we call this fixed point as the center of circle. We call it center of circle. The fixed distance is known as length of radius. Fixed distance in the plane is known as radius. In a circle, all the radii are of equal length. And I can tell you, you must know the path. This path is known as the circle. Path plus all interior is known as circular region. You can say path plus interior of a circle is known as circular region. And the any point outside it is known as the exterior of circle, and any part of circumference. What is circumference? Length of the circle is known as the circumference. This circumference, if the part of circle is taken, that is known as the arc. When arc is joined to the center, then central angle is known as the degree measure. Say this angle is k degree, then the degree measure of this arc AB is k degree units, and any chord passing through center is known as the diameter. But as far as for you, what required in the circle, I will tell you by now. Now I want to discuss with you one of the case where I will explain you how to find the equation of a circle if its center is at origin and radius is of given length. To find it, you just can understand with me that if this is a circle having center at origin, that is 0, 0. And if I assume that there is an arbitrary point P whose coordinates are x, y, and this radius is of r units. how to find the equation of the circle if its center is at origin and length of radius is r, and the point if I have selected located P coordinates are x comma y. So if I use the distance formula, OP is equals to r. Coordinates of O are 0, 0 and coordinates of the arbitrary point P are x comma y. If OP is r, then OP square is equals to what? R square. OP square means x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square is equals to r square. So a standard result always to remember for finding the equation of circle with center 0, 0 and radius r is x square plus y square is equals to r square. This is the result. You always need to remember how to find the equation of the circle having center at origin and radius r. If I take an example, find the equation of the circle whose radius is 3 units and center is at origin. Center is 0, 0. This become x square plus y square is equals to r square, that is 3 squares 9. X square plus y square is equals to r square, r means 3, that is what? 9. So we have to remember the equation of circle center at origin is radius r given by x square plus y square equals to r square. Now I want to tell you, if center of a circle is not at origin, suppose center of a circle is at a point whose coordinates are h comma k and any arbitrary point is selected P whose coordinates are in general x comma y and radius is r. It is given by x minus h square plus y minus k square is equals to r square. So equation of that circle whose center is at h comma k, radius is r, is given by x minus h square plus y minus k square is equals to r square. If I take an example, suppose center of circle is 3, 4 and radius is 10. If radius of a circle is 10 and circle's center at a point whose coordinates are 3, 4, what is the equation? It is given by x minus h, that means 3 whole square, plus y minus k, that is 4 whole square, is equals to r square, that means 10 square. So this become x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y is equals to 100. So we can say the equation of the required circle whose center is at 3, 4 and radius is equal to 10 is given by x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y is equals to 75, because 16 plus 9 25 when transferred subtracted from 100 the result comes as 75. So this is the application and this is the formula in case when center is at h comma k and radius of the circle is r. Now I want to tell you how to find the equation of the circle if it is touching x axis. You be with me and try to understand. This is the horizontal one is the x axis and vertical one is the y axis. If a circle touching the x axis having the center coordinates h comma k, how we find the equation of the circle in this situation? H comma k means this distance from origin to this point of contact is suppose h and this height is what? K. Center is at O. Now I can say this is another point, suppose A, this is P, and center of the circle is O, whose coordinates are h comma k. Remember, when a circle touches the x-axis, then the y coordinate, that is ordinate of center, is always equal to the radius of the circle. So the equation in this situation will be x minus h square plus y minus k square is equals to k square. If I take an example, find the equation of that circle which is touching the x-axis and coordinates of the center are 3, minus 4. So I must understand that radius of the circle, if is touching x-axis, is equal to the y coordinate of the center. Here y coordinate of the center is minus 4. So radius has to be 4 because radius cannot be negative. So the answer will be x minus h square, that is x minus 3 square, plus y minus k square, that is y plus 4 square, is equals to radius, that is what? 4 square. Hence, we can have a thought, if a circle is touching x-axis and center coordinates are given, then the value of y at center is equal to the radius, and this way we can apply the method. Now I want to tell you, if a circle is touching y-axis like this, there is a circle and in the Cartesian coordinate system, this circle is touching the y-axis like this, and coordinates of the center are h comma k. Say this point is C, origin is O, x-axis and y-axis as usual. In this situation, you can observe that this part, this length is h. So if a circle is touching y-axis, then the x coordinate of the center is equal to the radius. So in this situation, equation will be given by x minus h square plus y minus k square is equals to radius. In this situation where circle touches y-axis is given by the x coordinate, this become x minus h square plus y minus k square is equals to h square. Number 1. Second thing, that if I take an example to explain you, suppose this is a circle with coordinates as minus 3, minus 7. Touching which axis? Y-axis. Center coordinates are minus 3 and minus 7. Then equation will be x minus h. X minus of minus 3, that is x plus 3 square. Y minus k, that is y minus of minus 7, that is plus 7, is equals to radius square. In case when a circle is touching x-axis, its x coordinate is equal to radius minus 3, but we will take it as 3. So this is the equation of the circle in this situation. Now I want to explain you how to find the equation of a circle if it is touching both the axes. This is a circle touching both the axes. Coordinates of the center are h, k. You know this is h, this height is k, as it is y coordinate, this value is h. But in this situation, both are radius. All radii of a circle are equal. So I can say h is equals to k. So if a circle is touching both the axes, then coordinates of the center will be equal in magnitude, that is a comma a, and each magnitude will be equal to the length of radius, and formula in this situation will be x minus a square plus y minus a square is equals to a square. This is the equation of the circle if it is touching both the axes. For example, if a circle is touching both the axes having the coordinates of the center 5, minus 5, minus 5, equation will be given by x plus 5 square plus y plus 5 square is equals to 5 square. This is the situation if a circle is touching both the coordinate axes. Now I want to explain you how to find the equation of a circle if the coordinates of the end point of the diameter are given. This is the diameter a comma b. Here coordinates are x1, y1 and these coordinates are x2, y2. Then how we find what is the formula for obtaining the equation of the circle x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. This is the formula, because if we join it anywhere like arbitrary point P, coordinates of the circle at this point x comma y, we will find the slope of AP, we will find the slope of BP. This angle is 90 because angle in the semicircle, this is diameter. Product of these two lines of slopes will be -1, and with the help of that we will obtain this result. Suppose I take an example, coordinates of this point are 1, 2 and here coordinates are -5, 8. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the circle in the situation if the coordinates at the end point of the diameter are given.